All right, today we're going to do just the first 4 questions on the front page. We're not going to be doing these problems at the bottom because we don't want to cut out the raindrops because we don't want to cut the paper out. So which umbrella is the tallest, A, B, or C? B is the tallest, so we're going to write B. Which umbrella is the shortest, A, B, or C? A is the shortest. Okay, so now we need to put the umbrellas in order from tallest to shortest. So which one's tallest? A. Which one's the next tallest? C. Oops, I'm sorry, I did that wrong. B is the tallest, then C, then A. I hope you caught me on that one, huh? Okay, now put them in order from shortest to tallest. Which one is the shortest? A is the shortest, C is in the middle, and B is the tallest. Okay, so that front side is pretty simple. So I want you to turn it over on the back. You need to complete all of the problems on this side since our front sides are super easy this week. And when you're finished, go ahead and show your teacher.